Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans were lower on Friday, cementing a pretty substantial week-to-week loss for the most active contracts. Continue to wait for some real sign of improved export demand from China after the signing of Phase 1 of the trade agreement. USDA says that China was the biggest buyer of U.S. soybeans last week, but unknown destinations actually canceled on more than China bought outright. Corn ended the session lower. Demand uncertainties are a factor there as well. Weekly export sales did top 1 million tons, but the overall pace this marketing year remains behind last marketing year by a pretty significant margin. And wheat was lower. Chicago wheat was overbought, and that led Kansas City and Minneapolis lower. Weekly export numbers on wheat were actually pretty good, but the overall fundamental outlook continues to be bearish. Live cattle were mixed and feeders were lower ahead of the USDA's cattle on feed report, which came out very close to pre-report expectations. That includes the fourth consecutive month with an increase of placements onto feed. And hogs were lower on profit-taking, demand uncertainties, and the sharply lower move in pork at midday. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.